welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, so here's the dealio. So obviously my car has no brakes. I started it up the other day, let's see, and the pedal like just goes to the floor, like, yeah, so I wasn't real comfortable driving it. So I got the trailer out here. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up, take it out to the shop, and replace that back caliper, bleed the whole system again. If you know anything about a hydro boost, you get a bubble or something in it and they're impossible to get out. So that is the plan. We're gonna get this bad boy loaded up and put another caliper, brand new caliper with 2,700 miles on it that's leaking everywhere. And hopefully that solves the problem, because Ford takeover is coming up and I gotta have this thing ready to go. Alright. And of course I need diesel exhaust fluid. Figures. Alright, just like that, we are rolling. I spared you the awesome excitement of me getting the trailer hooked up. So yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy out to the shop, and just like that, we are back at the shop. Get this bad boy unloaded and see what the what is. Whew, man, there's cars everywhere. Cars everywhere, yeah.
Got a new one up. Got a new one over there.
Yeah, see, and I can't show you guys that yet. You'll have to wait for the next one to see that. Ford 8's new, got a new owner, so hopefully you guys will be saying goodbye to him very soon. I believe Jake is gonna try and make Ford takeover. If not, we'll head up north. But I do know you guys made some progress on Boomer's car yesterday. Yeah, had to take a little vacation. So we got a bullhorn.
A little bit.
The only thing, you know, and I didn't really even think about it until now, they send that little thing that goes around it. It ain't gonna work on this car.
Ain't gonna work on that one yet.
GT problems. But yeah, guys, this thing's... How close are we?
I need to get a tune and some fuel. Should be ready to crank.
So
Long way from being done, but
yeah.
Started.
Long way from being done, but still, it's really close. All right, get this beast up on the left. Hopefully any more caliper issues. Like I said, guys, when we did the Coyote, we also converted it to disc brakes and all that stuff, and so these calipers were brand new when we put them on, and as you can see, 2,700 miles. So I don't know, parts store quality, I guess, but we'll get it swapped out. Hopefully we won't have any more issues. All right, so there it is, guys. You can see that's exactly where it was leaking on the last one too. Just been sitting here just a minute, and this one was actually worse than the other one. This one, like, it left a nice stream, and I lost my pedal and everything. So look at that, brand new parts. What are you gonna do? All right, boys, back from the parts store and got another replacement caliper. Hopefully they last a while, but yeah, I'm gonna put this thing back together, get them bled out. We should be good to go. All right, caliper is on, and the freaking master was damn near dry. Yeah, damn near dry. But what do you think? Just let it gravity bleed for a little bit?
Yeah, we'll see if it bleeds.
Cool. All right, guys, we're gonna let it gravity bleed for a minute. But hopefully, no more issues. I mean, literally the back brakes do next to nothing, so they've been nothing but a pain in the ass since we put them on. But we're gonna let it gravity bleed, and should be good to go here in just a minute. All right, boys, so we got everything all bled out and got the master cylinder topped off. Hopefully, fingers crossed, no more issues with the brakes. But yeah, guys, glad we got that done, and definitely need to do some cleaning under here. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, everybody's always saying, oh man, it looks so good under the hood, and it does, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, just be prepared. Look real close. Yeah, it's starting to crack. So I have heard there's some special additives and stuff you can put in the paint for a situation like this where you're gonna get quite a bit of flex and all that. You know, it's part of it, but it still looks fantastic. And probably once we send the car off, get some paint work done, get the car painted, probably gonna have the engine out and have the bay redone. And you know, knowing what we know now, you know, is what it is. But all right, so we got brakes again, definitely a good thing, and car is ready for Ford takeover, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how many cars we're going to be taking to Ford takeover. Right now it's looking like possibly 4 to 8 and Pop's car, and so I don't know how all that's going to work out. We'll know that probably that week. But what else? Everything else is going well. We should have a first fire coming for boomers very soon. Like, we're going to make turbo noises very soon on that. Still need to get the final word from Jennings on the Bimini car. More wiring, working on George's car, and waiting on parts for Raymond's car. Man, we got a lot of names going on here. And an update on the Project Two-Tone. There is no updates other than I've got a parts list that I've got to hit up LMR, and we're going to get rolling on that. Engine sitting right here. That's going to be probably the first deal, is clean, reseal, and replace a few things. Who knows?
Might even add a pedal. Huh?
Maybe add a pedal. Who knows? You know, like Silver Sport transmission. You know,
add a pedal kit.
Yeah, guys, if you saw where we went and visited Silver Sport transmission, we do have a pedal kit to convert it from auto to manual. So you never know what's going to be behind it, and you never know what that C4 might end up in. That's either.
Right, yes.
You know, we've got some stuff going on, so who knows? All right, guys, so Dover and I have been throwing around ideas here. We've got a lot of extra engines, trans, and then we've got this car. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this is the really clean, really straight LTD that's been sitting back here for quite a while, and we have been dying to do something with this car.
Good interior in it?
I mean, yeah, the interior, obviously it's dirty, but I mean, it's in fabulous shape. And of course the body's straight. I mean, zero rust. So I don't know, carbureted 302 C4, throw some wheels on it, it'd be a bad little ride. It's got the patina.
Yeah, this is good washing up.
Yeah, clean her up. I mean,
almost blurable. Huh?
The lenses are all there, they're not cracked. I mean, because you can't buy those, you can't get those anywhere. Clean it up and put some drag wheels on it or something, who knows. Put some decent wheels on it. So drop us a comment below, what do you guys think? Throw a little 302 C4 LTD together and be a fun little ride, who knows. All right, guys, so that is pretty much what I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. You guys, you never know what we're gonna do on this channel. We got so many different ways to go, so many different options, and you know, I hope you guys enjoy the variety. Try to mix it up as much as possible, all kinds of different builds. And we're working hard for you. I mean, we're working harder than an ugly stripper. That's saying a lot. So please, if you would, for your boy, thumbs up, subscribe. Later.